So get this, I was chilling in one of my secret hideouts, scouting out locations and charging up for my next mission. Then I suddenly had this urge, the urge to explore. So I had to start a new mission.
We are at Digha today. It's an amazing town in West Bengal. Well, the adventure starts
In 3, 2, 1. We went out and had some fun at the new Digha beach. And yes, we had to go into the sea. After a whole day of running around, the fun was not even close to being over. We decided to explore Digha a little bit more and chill for a while.
Look guys, what I found.
Hitting up the famous market of Digha was a no-brainer. Overall, Digha has been a lot of fun and I can't wait to visit again.